What do you got there, Ben?
A pet birdie.
It's not dead.
There it goes. Oh, into the garage! Into the garage! What the hell? We don't know what the.
Right here.
Pick him up. Pick him up. We don't know what the hell is wrong with him. We found this.
It's a drunk baby bird.
We found a drunk bird. Oh, there he goes. Where is he going? Oh, oh.
Where'd he go?
We lost him.
No, he's right there.
Oh, I'm not touching him. He has a disease.
He does not.
I have diseases.
You can wash your hands and these will be gone.
Kitty's afraid to touch the bird.
And it is a dead bird. And it's a dead bird and it's not bleeding.
Apparently this bird is drunk. Flew into the house, 2 cars, and the garage. Come on, bird. Oh, there he goes. Epic fail. Come on, bird. Snow on my shoe. Go! Ben, go pick him up. Oh! Oh! Oh!
I like baby birds.